How to fix ManyChat confirmation letter not receiving. This may happen when you're trying to change the email address associated with your ManyChat account under https://manychat.com/profile/dashboard. To figure out what happens, let's first make sure that you saw this message after changing the address. If you do and the confirmation email still doesn't arrive after 5 minutes, make sure to check the spam folder of your inbox. In case the email still isn't there, the issue could be related to your email domain. The problem is that the email service that's integrated with ManyChat and that's responsible for delivering your letter does not recognize some uncommon domains, which is why it becomes technically impossible for them to send a letter. Some of the most Yahoo, Inbox, Outlook, iCloud, Mail, AOL, Yandex. Other ones may not be recognized or may be considered potentially harmful, and in such cases verification, the email will not be delivered. In this case, we advise connecting your ManyChat account to another email address belonging to a common domain. Another thing to note is that the verification mail is sent to your old email address, not the new one.